Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Harley Documents. Today I'm breaking down one of the most crucial aspects of e-commerce success, product research. If you're looking to find winning products that not only sell but also scale, then stick around because I'll be covering proven methods like the TikTok burner method, the calibrator research method, and the essential criteria for identifying viral, essential, high converting products. Anyway, if you've ever wondered how people stumble upon those viral game-changing products that seem to be everywhere, this video is for you. Understanding the criteria for a winning product. Before we dive in to the research methods, let's establish that what makes a product worth testing in the first place. Here's the checklist I use when evaluating potential products. So, first step, is it intrinsically viral or does it have a wow factor? Think of the portable projectors. That has quite a wow factor because it turns your living room, turns your bedroom into a full-blown theatre. That makes it intrinsically viral because it's cool, and it's wow factor because it's cool. Now, is it passionate or is it emotional? Does the customer have an emotional attachment towards it? Well, if so, make sure that you're targeting this really well, because if they feel an emotional feeling towards it, they're more likely to be inclined to go on your website, buy the product, and have a feel towards it. A great niche for this would be the religious niche, because the people who are religious to that religion will feel the need to go forwards and buy that product. Anyway, does it add values? Does it solve a real problem, or does it make life easier? Think of a parent and think of maybe that they have a car dent. Think about the repair tools that you could drop ship for that. Also think about if it adds controversy, controversial products that spark debate, which means more controversy, which means more interaction, which makes it a whole lot better. Perceived value. Now this is a big one, because if they think that the product is worth more than what it costs, people are willing to pay 3 times more cost. Well, this section is a quite quick one, but it is also a very important one, so make sure you take notes. Have a pen and a paper right out in front of you. So, the TikTok burner method, and this is why you're doing it wrong. A throwaway account that you can use to explore niche accounts. So whether you make your account and then you search up TikTok made me buy it, product versus prototype, Amazon finds, tech gadgets, all them things. As soon as you do that, you have to interact with every single video. I mean favorite, comment, save, just share it to yourself if you're that depressed. And then within days, your feed will literally be flooded with product heavy content. Section 3 is also quite a quick one, but it's a very unknown one. Nobody has really heard for calibrator. Basically, calibrator is used for deeper insights on your product that you are using. For instance, calibrator is basically just a powerful tool that helps you analyze product performance across various platforms. Say it's doing well on TikTok because you found it on TikTok. Check if it's doing well on Instagram, It checks trending niches and product, competitor analysis, sales data to understand if a product has longevity or not, or if it's just a temporary trend. If you pair calibrator with the TikTok burner method, you will have limbs. You will have the world beneath you. It is amazing. There you have it. Product research is a mix of strategy, creativity, and understanding consumer psychology. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or product ideas you're curious about. Until next time, keep hustling and keep testing.